Welcome to Artificial Professor. And in this video I will explain how to delete team in Canva. You can delete the team if you are the admin of that team. But if you are not the owner of the team, then you can simply exit from the team. But if you are the owner of team and want to delete the whole team, then here is the homepage of Canva. Simply tap on this setting. And you will see the option here. Team details, tap on this one, and here are team detail. You can also change the owner of the team. If you are the owner, then simply tap on the change owner, and then select the person. But I want to delete my team, then simply tap on the delete icon, and enter the team, like my team name is DiCaprio's team. Then I need to write the name. So after writing the complete team name, if you don't know the team name, then here is the team name. You can delete the team by tapping on this. Delete. So as you see, my team has been deleted successfully in Canva. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.